If you're using a reusable respirator, following the user instructions closely and assembling it correctly are critical. Here's a demonstration for how to assemble a 3M reusable respirator. To assemble the pre-filters, place the 3M filter into the 3M filter retainer so the printed side of the filter will face the cartridge. Then, press the filter retainer onto the cartridge. It should lock securely. The filter must completely cover the face of the cartridge. To install cartridges on your respirator facepiece, align the cartridge notch with the facepiece mark or the smallest bayonet lug on your respirator and push together. Turn the cartridge clockwise 1/4 turn until it is firmly seated and cannot be turned any further. Repeat to install the second cartridge. To help ensure a proper seal, perform a negative and positive user seal check. For a negative user seal check, place your palms over the cartridges and inhale gently. The facepiece should collapse slightly. If air leaks between the face and the face seal of the respirator, reposition it and adjust the straps for a more secure seal. For a positive user seal check, place your palm over the exhalation valve cover and exhale gently. The facepiece should bulge slightly. If air leaks between the face and the face seal of the respirator, reposition it and adjust the straps for a more secure seal. 3M safety products, for when safety matters.